sit down for a minute to plan a bit my month of July, because basically the whole month I can spend here, and I really kind of have a list, of course, of jobs to be done. So I sat down and was making a little sketch of the kitchen space, because now I want to order the wood for the floor. So that gives me a kind of a deadline that, like, maybe in 3 weeks' time we can put down the floor. And then I finished my workshop, in the back in the magazzino, put all the tools on the wall, which is such a nice feeling, Now I find stuff and I'm not losing time, just searching for the right screwdriver or hammer. To the wood shop to order the wood, and they basically delivered immediately, like the next morning, all the wood, and I had to carry it or to bring it back to the house all by myself, because I'm still the only one here. Vacation has not yet started. That was a tough one again. I hope that Sergio and Stefano are not going to be horrified by my way how I treated the wood, but it's still very okay. And then I go on, I oil the ceiling because that's also kind of a dirty job and I don't want to spoil the floor once it's there laid out. So that's something I needed to do for a year actually, oil the wood. So now I just started yesterday. It gets quite dark, almost black. I hope it's going to light up a bit when it's drier. But first you're going to see me accomplishing like a fairly old job concerning that left back corner.
Now been released as an album called In the Merry Month for May. And just to say that Jennifer Walsh also featured on the latest Late Junction mixtape, which is created for us by the poets.
Then I urgently wanted one of these jasmine, because the perfume is incredible. Because here in Chris' house now it's filled with this wonderful perfume of that flower. Ciao, ho comprato un celsomino.
Sì?
2 celsomini e voglio spazio.
Ah,
Uno metto qui.
stai meglio?
Ah?
Come stai? Stai meglio?
Io sto bene, sì.